Welcome to the ultimate guide to investing in stocks for beginners. In this video, we will provide you with all the essential information you need to start your journey in the exciting world of stock market investing. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some knowledge of investing, this guide will equip you with the necessary tools to make informed investment decisions. So, let's dive in. What are stocks? Overview. In this chapter, we will explore the fundamentals of stocks. You will learn what stocks are, how they work, and why people invest in them. We will also cover the different types of stocks and common terms associated with stock investing. Why invest in stocks? We discuss the advantages of investing in stocks, such as potential capital appreciation, dividend income, and the ability to participate in the growth of successful companies. Moreover, we highlight the importance of long-term investment strategies when it comes to stocks. Getting started. Setting financial goals before investing in stocks. It is crucial to determine your financial goals. We provide practical tips on setting achievable goals that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Having a clear objective will help you make appropriate investment choices. Understanding risk. An essential aspect of investing in stocks is understanding risk. We explain the concept of risk tolerance and how it relates to your investment decisions. Additionally, we discuss diversification as a risk management strategy. Creating a budget. To have a successful investment journey, you must create a budget. We stress the importance of saving and budgeting to free up funds for investments in the stock market. Practical budgeting tips are provided to help you allocate money towards investments. Research and analysis. Fundamental analysis. In this chapter, we delve into the concept of fundamental analysis. You will learn how to evaluate a company's financial health, including analyzing its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. We also explain key financial ratios to consider when researching stocks. Technical analysis. We introduce the concept of technical analysis and how it can complement fundamental analysis. You will discover various technical indicators and chart patterns that can assist in making investment decisions. We also discuss the importance of market trends and timing. Researching stocks. We guide you through the process of researching individual stocks. You will learn how to find reliable sources of information, analyze company news and earnings reports, and assess the competitive landscape. Additionally, we highlight the significance of considering a company's management team. Building your stock portfolio. Creating a diversified portfolio. Building a diversified stock portfolio is crucial for managing risk. We explain the concept of asset allocation and diversification across different sectors and industries. You will also learn about different investment vehicles to diversify your portfolio further. Stocks for long-term investment. We discuss the benefits of selecting stocks for long-term investment and why short-term trading may not be suitable for beginners. We provide valuable tips on choosing stocks that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Monitoring and rebalancing. Once you have established your stock portfolio, it is essential to monitor its performance periodically. We guide you on how to evaluate your holdings, rebalance your portfolio, and make necessary adjustments based on market conditions. Congratulations! You have reached the end of the ultimate guide to investing in stocks for beginners. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and the confidence to start your investing journey. Remember to always stay informed, be patient, and seek guidance. from trusted financial professionals. Happy investing!